Menteri Katanat ki kam jungo kai perthei umba pol Lyngdoh menta kasngi ula pendreme ke Jingkeno hakabaya David ke Jingjia accident hasurok ba Roy bypass hajan ICR haka Jingjia lenti shaka tamasa cherry blossom kabaladan ke Jingkeno ba unongnya tuk ula syak tenra haka Kyntait jong ki Pulit kabala yat stat bah kabala senran yo menteri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ki sangma ba dia uba pol Lyngdoh ula pensai bah haka te kapor kadon ke Jingdheng kali ke bejur bah haka balaja kate ka accident badula ongru bana marka jingbun ki kali ka de yo lese ka jingpen her state jong te unongnya ya kate ka tuk ula rensit sharut bat lasat tenra haki weipat ki kali ki bebut nadin ki bala sakut hakate ka jaka uba pol Lyngdoh ula Kyntait ru ke Jingkeno bagi kali ki basenrani ki VIP ki de ki bayaj bahe bat ka bala tenra pen mensau yo te unongnya tuk kabala shimru wat ya ka jingim jong te unongnya tuk kat baka Kyntait ka basyong shedin ka de ka parlok jong te briu kabala mensau jur.
See, first and foremost, I think that was a big lie to even ascribe that incident to VIP culture. Please bear in mind, using your logic and your sense of what actually could have taken place. There was a huge cavalcade of VIPs led by the Chief Minister, which had to reach at 6:30, but managed to reach only at 6:45, because the entire cavalcade of cars, after the initial 2-3 vehicles, the convoy, there was the CM's car, and my car was right behind the CM's car. After which there were at least 7 to 10 more cars. We stopped at several points because the movement of people was so huge that traffic came to a complete standstill. Where was the possibility of any of the police convoys even using speed and hitting somebody by accident in the process, when we kept getting stalled and kept getting delayed? However, if you compare that to a motorist riding a bike, it would have been easier for him to be at high speed, hit the convoy, and then get hit by another car, which is something that has been narrated to me by quite a few people. So this has nothing to do with VIP culture, certain protocols. Especially when you have a union minister visiting us, we were supposed to be there on time without inconveniencing the public. So the fact that such an accident has taken place is certainly unfortunate, but do bear this in mind, that none from the convoy could have hit that biker because we were either stopping or moving at snail's pace.